Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife. Just jumping on real quick again because you know me, always running late. To share an entry. Hopefully to make it. If it doesn't, that's okay because I love to send goodies. But this is a memory dex card. This is for Trina's place. She's doing her, I believe it's 300 subscriber giveaway. I have to double check that. But she has asked for a memory dex and 2 embellishments. So I've included that, and this is the memory dex card. I put a little sticker with a dimensional heart and a little dimensional flower banner with an extra dimensional little flower, a butterfly, and a pretty flower I made. I've got a few of those I've been working on lately with some banner tags, and I added some of this little green embellishment, and I added some of the glitter glue, because you know me, I mean, you start to get to know me, you know Carmen loves her bling. So that's what I did for her memory dex. I'm pretty pleased with it. I think it turned out pretty. This is also some flower embellishments. Nothing major or anything, but I figured I'd keep it kind of, you know, thin and not too high dimensional so I can keep it in a smaller package to ship. Also, I'm going to include this flower on a back topper I made. It says Friendship Smiles. And to me, that's what this YouTube channel has become. I mean, I have met so many great ladies on here, so I wanted to add that. I'm going to include some jumbo clips that I've got plenty of, and I thought maybe I could share some, and love to see what other ladies come up with and create on those. And of course, y'all, if y'all have seen, oh, I shook my camera. If y'all have seen Trina's channel, y'all, she loves her cats. She loves those babies. And so I, excuse me, I found these, so I wanted to send her some little kitty cats, and it's got the headphones and sunglasses. Can't see behind there, but that says brilliant. And I did have to, sorry Trina, I did have to open it up because they had all fallen. So I wanted to retack them for you. But they're new, never used. So anyway, y'all, if I'm going to try to link Trina's channel down, I believe her, it ends August the 1st. So I'm not sure how much time you got left to get things in, but either way, go check her out. She's a super sweet lady, and she supports so many people on YouTube, and is just super, super kind, super sweet, and you won't regret it. In the meantime, best wishes. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I wish you all the best.